What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download a video or image from Grok Imagine. So you will find Grok Imagine on the left hand side here once you're inside Grok AI, and let's say you're scrolling through and you're exploring and you find a video that you really like. So let's say I like, for example, this one here. I can click on it and you will be able to find the download button right here. So you can click on download and you will be able to download that on your computer. So right here it's not yet downloaded, and so you can easily go ahead and download this if you want. And to do that, you have the three dots on the right hand side here, and this is going to give you the download button, and you click download again, and that's it. So sometimes when you click, for example, the download from here, it does not download it for you, but it takes you over to a new page where you'll have that extra download button right here that you can easily go ahead and hit download. But that one will surely work afterwards, and you can easily find that in your downloads folder as I'm about to share with you right here. This is the video, and so I can play back once I click the download button there. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to download videos on Grok AI Imagine.